Hey everybody, it's Dan from Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grills. We're going to be doing something really different today. We're going to go back to our boss's roots, something a little more Puerto Rican. It's going to be a Puerto Rican lasagna, which is called Pastelón, and that is combines Picadillo with plantains. And so we're going to show you how to make that today on our 4250 pellet smoker outside. So first thing you want to do is you want to grab some plantains. This one is going to use 8 plantains. We want them nice and ripe to where they're getting a little brown, black on the outside. And the reason for that is they are a little sweeter. And also when we go to fry them outside, they're going to get a nice real golden color to them. So we're going to take our plantains, we're going to cut them in half like this. Then we're just going to score the skin, peel the skin right off. Cut the end off here. And then we're going to lengthwise cut it into 3 pieces. Just like that. And then that creates little planks just like this. So we'll put these flat on a pan. I'm going to cut all the rest of these up right now. And I'll meet you outside on the 4250 where we're going to use a sear station to fry them up. All right, so we got all of our plantains all sliced up here. I got the 4250 going right now at about 250 degrees with our sear station. And we actually got this method from Meathead. Check him out. Yeah, instead of trying to do this inside your house, getting all that oil splatter everywhere all over your stove, do it outside. It's a lot easier. So we got our pan full of olive oil right here. It's going to be 3 to 4 minutes on each side. That's the color you're looking for. That is perfect. So we're going to take these guys off right now. And then we'll put some brand new ones in here. Now whenever you're putting anything in the oil, put it away from you. Always set it away from you so it doesn't splatter towards you. Just like, oh yeah, look at that fry up. So we'll put a few of those in here. Oh, look at that. That's going to be beautiful. And then when we take them out, when they're still nice and hot, we'll just put it on a flat surface and smash them a little bit. That's going to flatten them out a little bit. They're going to cook easier and make a nice consistency with the casserole. Or at least we consider it a casserole here in Wisconsin, but it's really a lasagna. So we're going to smash those a little bit into, just about that size. And then we'll continue to fry these, and we'll be right back inside. All right, everybody, so we're back inside now. We got all of our plantains fried up. First step with making this dish here, we're going to line the bottom of the pan with some of your favorite tomato sauce. Today we're going to be using the garlic and herb. So we're going to do a thin layer of this. Then we're going to take 1 layer of our fried plantains and just kind of line the bottom with those. Just like a regular lasagna. We're going to line that. They'll be like our noodles in this case. And then for the bottom layer, what I did was we beat some 2 eggs with a little bit of milk. Just beat it up like that. We're going to pour this over our plantains. Going to make sure it's evenly coated on the bottom. And then from here, we're going to start our layers. So we got our picadillo, which the recipe for this will be in the bottom in the description. So we're going to do a thin layer of picadillo. Then we're going to put our garlic herb sauce on top of that. And then we're going to do a layer of Chihuahua cheese. And we'll just keep repeating that. After the cheese, more plantains, picadillo, sauce, cheese. When we get to our very top layer, we'll beat another 2 eggs with some milk and put that on the very top. And you can use some cilantro on the top too if you'd like to taste. So once that is all put together, We'll go outside. We're going to cold smoke this on the 4250 using the Big Kahuna cold smoke generator for a half hour. And then after that, we'll cook it in there for about another half hour at 350. So we're going to meet you outside in a little bit. Wonderful. So we got all our pastelón already here. We got all the layers on. We finished it off with a little the cheese and the egg mixture on top. We got the sear station out. We just took that out. It's very simple to remove and put the drip pans back in. So we got this on standby so that the fan can circulate the air and all the heat. Same thing with the circulation fan on top. We have that on as well. We're going to be cold smoking this for the first half hour without any heat at all. So we got the Big Kahuna running using our Mojo cubes in there for the smoke. And let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at the nice smoke in there. There's no heat. This is only smoke. So to get that nice flavor on here, we're going to put this in for about a half an hour, just running the cold smoker. And then after the half hour, we'll start this thing up at 350 and smoke it at a higher temperature for about a half hour again to cook it through all the way through. And even though you have this large volume to work with, you can just use one thing at a time. You know, it has the dual rack system, the spit attachment. You can use the sear station in there for the hot and fast cooking. You use it for whatever you want. It's great. And it doesn't use any more fuel for just one item versus 4 or 5 pork shoulders or 6 pork shoulders at a time. So we're gonna do this real quick here with our cold smoker, get the flavor on there. We'll be right back. Perfect, so it's been a half hour of it cold smoking with our smoke generator. And let's just take a look here. It's got a little bit of color on there from the smoke. Man, you can smell it when you open it, I'll tell you. Now what we're gonna do, it's in standby right now, so I'm gonna hit the plus button and we're gonna change this to 350. 350 degrees. I'm going to keep the circulation fan on there so it cooks evenly. I'm just going to continue to let the cold smoker run throughout the whole process, and then we'll be back in about a half hour to see the end result. Stay tuned. All right, it's a half hour later after smoking it at 350, so look at that color. Ooh, we are so excited. I wish there was smell on a camera, but yeah, if you smell this right now, it's nothing like you ever smelled before. So we're gonna cut out a nice good sized piece out the corner. My favorite. Oh yeah. Oh man, look at that. We'll try to get all this out in one piece. Ooh-wee. Well, we gotta get all the rest out though. Oh, that's good. Yeah, so again, this is Puerto Rican lasagna pastelón. We made it on the 4250 Pellet Pro smoker, the barbecue grill island as we call it. Using the sear station for frying the plantains. Then we use the cold smoke generator to smoke it. And then we set that thing on 350, went flawless for a half hour. So you can do this all at home along with many, many other things on that grill. So let's take a taste test here. Ooh, it's hot. A little bit right there too. Wow, is that good? You know, the plantains, they don't taste like bananas or plantains. With all the meat and the cheese, it's like if you just bit into a really thick noodle. Honestly, it's really good. But yeah, the homemade other things, you know, the sauce and you know, we'll have those down below for the recipe with the sofrito. But check us out. Thanks for looking. Go start cooking. SmokedaddyInc.com.